Strategy happens at three levels: corporate, which is the highest level of strategy; business, which is concerned with how a business unit should operate; and functional, which is related to the individual functions within an organization.
Simply put, strategy in an organization is how the organization seeks to survive and prosper over the long term.
There are generally 5 operations performance objectives, namely cost, quality, speed, dependability, and flexibility.
Focusing on excelling in these areas will almost always guarantee operations and business success. 2 key decision areas of operations management that need to be considered are that of structural decision areas, meaning the physical attributes of operations like the facility, capacity, and hardware considerations. And the infrastructure decision areas focus on people, systems, software, and so forth.
Common, important considerations across all of the different types of strategy, however, is that of people, process, and technology.
There are 3 well-defined, uniquely different strategy types. Business strategy, created by senior management and is concerned with how a company will approach the marketplace, how they will position themselves against competitors, and so forth. Operational strategy concerns itself with translating the business strategy into actions. And lastly, transformation strategy, which refers to making drastic and significant changes within a business to change the course of its short and long-term viability.
Of course, problems can arise with strategy due to the following reasons: no communication to all in the organization, no strategic cohesion, a loss of strategy accuracy and understanding, lack of progress of strategic objective.
Now, supply chain management operates on strategic, tactical, and operational levels. And on the strategic level, a business needs to ensure that strategies cover the whole supply chain, including product development, customers, manufacturing, vendors, and logistics.
It is important that performance measurements take place to connect strategy, operations, and actions. And developing a successful performance measuring system needs to form part of the strategy.
By examining the entire value stream across all functional areas, the company can ensure their desired outcome is optimized rather than focusing only on individual parts of the process. The value stream starts with the initial contact with a prospective customer, continues through the sales cycle, and is completed when payment is received from a customer following the customer's receipt of the ordered goods.
Combining value stream mapping with other performance improvement methods such as lean process, Six Sigma, total quality management, etc., will ensure that performance across the entire value stream is improved.
But, of course, there needs to be effective KPIs in place to measure against. Once these performance improvement models are set, focus should be put on sustaining these improvements and focusing on continuous improvement.